Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to online sport program of APS Fort Road. We will start with the first week assignment of physics. Here we are going to discuss physics as a branch of science. Also, we are going to discuss its introduction and basic concepts like physical quantities and physical units. Okay, physics is a branch of science which deals with the phenomena already present in nature happening around us. As you can see in this figure, you can see an aeroplane, you can see a vernier caliper, that is a measuring instrument, length measuring instrument you have already discussed. You can see mobile phones, you can see cars moving, and you can see a meter rule, or you can see a rainbow. All these phenomena are present all around us in nature. Study of these phenomena is under the scope of physics. Okay, coming towards the origin of the word physics. Physics is a basically Greek word. You can see on the map, Greece is located in Europe and it means nature. That's why under the scope of physics we study the phenomena happening in nature. So physics is defined as a branch of science which deals with the study of everyday phenomena. It aims to explain the phenomena in terms of fundamental laws of nature. We can study laws which govern the phenomena happening in nature. Another definition says that physics is the study of matter, energy, and their mutual relationship. About matter and energy, you have already known, but what will be the mutual relationship between matter and energy? The mutual relationship between matter and energy will be transformation of matter into energy or energy into matter. Okay, here's a little riddle for you. You can see on the screen there's a cup of coffee. Why hot coffee will gradually turn cold after an hour? Or how your image can be formed on the mirror? Now coming towards the branches of physics, here are some major branches of physics that are known as mechanics, heat and thermodynamics, sound, light and optics, electricity and magnetism, atomic and nuclear physics, plasma physics, and geophysics. Now we will come to brief introduction. Okay, first of all is mechanics. Mechanics is the study of motion of objects, its causes and effects. Like you have seen cars moving on the road, or the persons traveling all around, or the aeroplanes flying. All these come under the scope of mechanics. Another branch of physics is known as heat and thermodynamics, which deals with the nature of heat and its modes of transfer and effect of heat on any object. It also deals with measurement of temperature. Another branch of physics is known as sound, which deals with physical aspects of sound waves, their production, propagation, properties, and applications. Sound gives us the sense of hearing. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to online sport program of APS Fort Road. We will start with the first week assignment of physics. Another very important branch of physics is known as electricity and magnetism. Electricity is basically the study of charges at rest or in motion and their effects and relationship with magnetism. Initially, electricity and magnetism were two different branches, but after studying their common aspects, we have combined them into one, that is known as electricity and magnetism. Okay, first of all is mechanics. Mechanics is the study of motion of objects, its causes and effects. Like you have seen cars moving on the road, or the persons traveling all around, or the aeroplanes flying. All these come under the scope of mechanics. You have already studied about three states of matter, that are solid, liquid, and gas. Now we are introducing another state of matter, that is known as fourth state of matter, that is known as plasma. And the study related with plasma is known as plasma physics. So plasma physics is study of production and properties of ionic state of matter, that is also called fourth state of matter. The last to discuss in this section is known as geophysics. Geo means earth. So geophysics is the study of internal structures of earth. We have already studied in previous classes that our earth is made up of different layers from the core to the surface. As you can see in this figure, we have splitted it into different sections. The study of all this is known as geophysics.